Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. Let's see the HackerRank series next question, which is about a string, split and join. So first read the problem. In Python, a string can be split on a delimiter. So here examples as given. A variable, it is containing, this is a string, and then we can apply split function over variable A. Now A is converted to a list of strings. So when you will print A, this will show you like this. This has splitted all the words and it has converted all this into list. So this comma is comma A comma string. Now the next thing here is join. So joining a string is also very simple as given here in variable A. Anything whatever you want to join, you just give that into string and then apply the join function on the variable. Now when you will print A, this is how it should look. This is a string. So this is the task that we need to complete. Now let's see the code. So this is the function split and join. This function we need to complete. Now here we are taking input as line. Now let's take any variable. I'm taking x as a variable. Now what I'll be doing, I will apply the split function on the line argument that we are taking as input here. So I will apply the split function line dot split, and then I don't want anything. With the space I would like to split it. Now what the next function? Next function is join. So I will be applying join on this variable x. So let's see. Suppose I will simply give this and dot join function over the x. Now simply we will return the variable x. So let's run the code. Okay, so our sample test case has been passed. Now submit the code. So yes, it has passed all the test cases. So this is your code. That's it. We'll see you in the next video.